Hello everyone, thanks for joining in. Today we will discuss comparison operator, if statement, else, elif statement, and last while statement in our Python script. So in comparison operator, we have 6 signs that we use actually. Okay, so as we know that this sign we use for greater than, this one we use for less than, and this sign we use for greater than or equal to, this one is for less than or equal to, and exclamation equal to we use for not equal to in our Python script, and double equal to sign we use for equal to, right? So let's see in the example. Suppose here we have given value of a is 10 and value of b is 15, right? So suppose we have write one script and we want to execute something, right? Suppose here we have given in the Python script a is greater than b. So here it will show me that this is the false statement, right? Because as we know that b is greater than a, not a is greater than b, right? Suppose here we have given the value of c is 10, right? That is equal to a. Now here when we will type a equal to c, then it will show me the output. This is the true statement, right? So here we have two more operators, that is and or, right? So here suppose we have given a is greater than b and a is equal to c, right? So as we know that this is the false statement, but this one is true, right? But we will get a false output because in AND operator both the statement should be true, right? Now here we can see, suppose we have given b is greater than a and b is greater than c. So here we know that both the statement is true. Now when we will hit enter, so we will get the output true, right? Because both the statement is true. Now we have another operator, that is or. So let me type here a equal to c or b equal to c. So here we know that this statement a equal to c is true, but b is equal to c is false, right? But here we will get the output true because in our operation, if any one of the statement is true, then we will get the output true, right? So here one more option, that is not equal to. Okay, so let me check in this example. A not equal to b, okay, and b not equal to c. So we know that both the statement is true, right? So here we will get the output true, right? So we have checked greater than, smaller than, greater than or equal to, and not equal to, and equal to. So these two are left actually. Let me check in this example. Suppose we want to check a, if a is greater than equal to b. So this is true or false. So as we know that this is the false statement, so it will show me this is the false statement, right? So here in normal calculator or in normal life we use equal to sign for equal, right? So here the significance of equal is, suppose here we have given a equal to b, but before that let me show you the value of a and b. Okay, so as we know that value of a is 10 here and value of b is 15, right? But here when we will type a equal to b, then what will happen, a will set its value is equal to the value of b, right? So let me show you now. When we will type print a, then it will show me the value of a is 15 because value of a is converted to the value of b, right? So this is the significance of equal sign, right? So our next topic is if statement, right? So here in idle shell tool, suppose we want to run a big script. So here we'll have to open one page, that is new file option is there, right? So when we will open this file, so here we will get a run option. So when we will type this script, so here when we will run, then automatically we will get the output here, right? So let me show you. First we will check the if statement, right? Suppose we have person A, okay? So actually statement is A equal to input, okay? And we want to enter here, enter age of person, right? After that here we'll have to close with inverted comma like we do in print, right? So let me explain. So here input statement actually allows us the ability to print something on the screen, right? So when we will hit enter here, so here a is as a string, right? So we'll have to convert a into integer, right? Because we cannot perform any operation, right, with the string. So we'll have to make it a as an integer. So to do that, we have to use a equal to integer a, right? So now value of a is converted into integer, right? So now our if statement will start here. Suppose if, now bracket will be start, our statement is started, or we can say condition is started. If person A age is greater than 18, okay, then bracket close, our condition is finished here. But here we have to use one colon option. This colon indicates that our if statement is finished, right? If person A age is greater than 18, then print this person is eligible for vote. Person is eligible, sorry, eligible for vote, right? Now if person is less than 18, now we'll have to use here colon again because this condition is going to over here, right? Now we want to print that guy is not eligible for vote, right? So let me zoom out here, or we can make it short, person not eligible for vote, right? So everything is visible here. Okay, so let me run this script. So we'll have to use here run, then run module. Here it will ask me to save this script, right? So we will save in the desktop, okay, and age script we will save as a age script in Python, right? Now it will ask me the enter age of person. Suppose we have written age of person is 20, right? So it will show me this that guy is not is eligible for vote, right? Because it 20 is greater than 18. So suppose we have run again this script, okay. Now it will ask me again the age. Now we have given the age of that guy is 10, right? Now it will show the output that person is not eligible for vote because 10 is less than 18, right? But here there is one problem. Suppose this statement is true, right? So this operation will still go on the second statement. So this is consuming our CPU, right? So to avoid that, we can use here else statement, right? So let me show you here. We can delete this statement. We can use here else statement. So here we are not putting any condition. So we will put here colon that indicates that our condition is over here, right? Now we want to print person not eligible for vote, right? If that guy age is greater than 18, then this person is eligible for vote. Else, this person is not eligible for vote, right? So let me run this command now. So it will ask me to save. So I will save this script on the same place. Okay. Now it will ask me the age of person, right? Suppose we have given now age of that guy is 36, right? So it will show me that person is eligible for vote because 36 is greater than 18. Now let me run once again this script. Suppose we have given now age of that guy is 8 years, right? So it will show me that guy is not eligible for vote. So here the output is same, right? But here we are not using the if statement two times. We are using else statement, right? So it will run first script. If it matches, then it will not go on the else statement. If first statement doesn't match, then it will go on the else statement, right? So it will reduce our CPU utilization, right? So here, well, one more statement is there, that is elif, right? Suppose we have multiple if statement, right? So what we will do? So here we can use elif, right? So let me show you here. So actually we can see all the functions here. So here when we will hit enter, okay, and after E we can use tab keyword, right? After tab we can see all the functions here, right? So we are going to use elif, okay, then space. If person age is equal to 18, then what will happen, right? So here we will close with colon. That indicates that our condition is finished, okay. If person age is equal to 18, then this guy is eligible for vote, right? We want to get the output. And here, okay, now fine. So first it will check the guy age is greater than 18 or not. If it matches, then our script is over and we will get the output, right? If person age is not greater than 18, then it will go in the second statement. It will check. Then that guy age is equal to 18 or not. If it matches, then it's okay. Then it will not go to third statement, right? We will get the output after second statement. But if the person age is less than 18 and it doesn't match the first two statement, then it will check the third statement and we will get the output that person not eligible for vote, right? So let me run this script, okay. I think there is to elif a is equal to 18, person is print will forward, everything seems good. Then why it's showing me error? Let me check here. Good, good, good. Fl if invalid, maybe you mean oh, here we use double equal sign, right, for equal to. Okay, so we will save this script, and now it will ask me the age of person. So we will enter here age of that guy is 18. So we will get the output that person is eligible for vote, right? So here let me run once again the script, and we want to put the age of person is 10. Now let's see what we will get the output. So here we can see that first two statement didn't match. That's why it go on the third statement, right? So here it shows me that person is not eligible for vote. Okay. So here one more option we have. Suppose we want to print something more below this person is eligible for vote, right? So what we will do here, we will hit enter here, okay, and we will use print and then bracket start, okay, and this is criteria for country India, right? So here one thing we need to keep in mind that here we have two indentation, right? I mean there is two space. So we'll have to keep the same space here as well. Then this print option will come under if statement. If we will put more indentation, then it will show me error, right? So we need to keep in mind that we need to keep both indentation same, right? So let me run once again the script. Else we can do here. Let me type these things for two statement as well. So here print, close the bracket, and here, okay, bracket close. So let me run once again this script. Okay, suppose we have entered here the age of that guy is 70 years, right? So here we can see that person is eligible for vote, and this is criteria for country India, right? So our last topic is while statement, right? So actually while statement comes under loop, right? So actually while statement provides the ability to execute a set of statement as long as the condition is true, right? So in the below statement, what we will do here, we will run one script. Okay, so let me delete this. Okay, suppose we are using while statement here, right? So it will be the same as we use in the if else and elif statement. So after while we will start with bracket. Okay, if value of a is greater than 0, okay, bracket close, and here we will put colon. That indicates that our condition is finished here, right? Then print the value of a, right? After that, here value of a should be reduced by 1. So here the meaning of this statement is, suppose we have, and we can change here enter number, right? Suppose we have entered the value of a is 5, right? So first it will check 5 is greater than 0 or not. It is, right? Then it will print value 5. Okay, then after that 5 value will be reduced by 1, then it will become 4, right? Then it will again go here, it will check 4 is greater than 0 or not, right? Then 4 is greater than 0 as we know, then it will print value 4, right? Then again 4 will be reduced by 1, that will become 3. Then we'll again go here, it will check 3 is greater than 0 or not. If it is, then print 3. Then again reduced by 1. Then it will check 2 is greater than 0 or not. If it is, then print 2. Then 2 will be reduced by 1. Then it will check 1 is greater than 0. If it is, then print 1. then 1 will be reduced by 1, that becomes 0. Then it will check again 0 is greater than 0 or not. If it is not, then our script is stopped here. It will not process again, right? So let me run this script. First it will ask me to save. So we want to save this script at the same place. Okay, so we will hit number here 5, right? So here we can see that we got the output 5 4 3 2 1, right? So in the script, if we don't put a is equal to a minus 1, then it will run at infinite times, right? So we need to keep in mind that this statement is mandatory, means we'll have to put this statement, otherwise it will show me the output again and again, and our this idle shell tool will be hanged, right? And one more thing here, we can see that this is the output is written in multiple rows, right? 5 is written in first row, 4 in second, third, 3 in third row, 2 in fourth row, and 1 in fifth row. So we want to get this output in a single row with a space. So what we can do here, so in the script we'll have to use a, value of a, comma, we'll have to use one keyword, that is and, equal to, then single inverted comma, space, and close with single inverted comma. That means we want to get the output in a single row with a single space, right? So when we will run this script and we want to save at the same place, suppose we have entered the value of a is 6 this time, right? So here we can see that we got the output in a single row, right? So, and one more thing here we can learn. So we can give here a equal to a minus equal to 1. That means a is equal to a minus 1. Both the statement has the same significance. So let me show you once again. Let me run this script here. And now we want to enter the value of a is 4, right? So we will get the same output 4 3 2 1, right? So here both the statement has both the meaning, means same meaning. A is equal to a minus 1 or a minus equal to 1, or a is equal to a plus 1 or a plus equal to 1. So both have same meaning. So this was the agenda for today, guys. I hope you have learned something